You can have up to 20 frames in a jam. To see your frames or to add more frames, come to the top and click that arrow. As you can see, I currently only have one frame. If I wish to add a frame, I can click one of these two pluses. I can then click on that frame, click on the arrow to collapse this bar, and begin adding to this frame. If I wish to duplicate a frame, I would hover over the frame I want to duplicate, click the three dots, and select Duplicate. Again, click on the frame, collapse the frame bar, and then I can edit this frame as necessary. Again, to see all of your frames, come up here and click to expand the frame bar. If I find I need to delete a frame, I hover my cursor over it, click the three dots, and select Delete. To navigate between frames, click on the arrows found at the end. As you can see, the frame in the frame bar that is surrounded by a blue perimeter is the one that is showing in my main window. And as you can see up here, it is showing me that I'm viewing the 5th frame out of 5 frames. And I can use my back arrow here to navigate to the previous frames. Know that when you are on the last frame, if you click this right arrow, it will create a new blank frame.